Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design. Veranda backyard lighting is a crucial element in creating an enchanting and inviting outdoor space that can be enjoyed day and night. The veranda, also known as a covered patio or porch, provides a sheltered area where you can relax, entertain guests, or simply enjoy the beauty of your backyard. During the day, natural light will illuminate the veranda, allowing you to savor the outdoor views and the fresh air. However, as the sun sets, the right lighting transforms the veranda into a magical oasis, extending the time you can spend outdoors and creating a warm and cozy ambience. One of the primary considerations for veranda backyard lighting is the type of fixtures to use. Wall sconces and pendant lights are popular choices for verandas, as they provide both functional and decorative lighting. Wall sconces can be mounted on the exterior walls, illuminating the space and adding a touch of elegance. Pendant lights, on the other hand, can be suspended from the ceiling, providing focused light over dining or seating areas. String lights are a charming addition to verandas, creating a whimsical and romantic atmosphere. These lights can be draped along the ceiling or wrapped around the veranda's support beams, adding a soft and inviting glow to the space. Solar-powered string lights are an eco-friendly option that automatically turns on at dusk, saving energy and maintenance. To enhance the veranda's ambience, consider adding lanterns or candle holders. These portable light sources can be placed on tables or hung from hooks, adding a warm and intimate glow to your gatherings. Flameless candles are a safe alternative that still provides the flickering effect of real candles without the risk of fire. Uplighting or spotlights can also be used to highlight specific features in your backyard, such as trees, plants, or architectural details. These lights not only add an enchanting touch but also improve safety by illuminating potential hazards in the dark. For verandas that are connected to a larger outdoor living area, consider integrating smart lighting systems. With these systems, you can control the lighting intensity and color temperature from your smartphone or a smart hub, creating the perfect ambience for any occasion. In addition to selecting the right fixtures, it's essential to consider the lighting temperature. Warm white or soft white lights create a cozy and inviting atmosphere, while cooler white lights are more suitable for task lighting or to complement modern decor. Overall, veranda backyard lighting plays a vital role in extending the usability and charm of your outdoor living space. By combining a variety of light fixtures, string lights, lanterns, and spotlights, you can create a veranda that becomes a welcoming retreat, where you can relax, entertain, and enjoy the beauty of your backyard long after the sun has set. In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!